It's the Brendan.
We could literally leave the waters out here and they'd be cold.
We got this refrigerator right here.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, let's just do this. Oh, I think I broke it. Never mind. Oh. Metal thing. Steel-toed shoes, people. Holy crap, this thing is strong. Can it hold me? Oh shit. The refrigerator wants to tip over, but yeah, it can. Jesus. That. I don't think it's working. Alrighty, after that, let's continue,
B9 was thirsty.
Yeah, it was. Ow. Steel-toed shoes. Wait a minute. Hey, look. You want to set the refrigerator on fire?
Get out of the way, this motherfucker's about to meet Jesus.
God damn it, Daniel.
Waterboarding B9. Here I go first.
Oh shit. Hey, look. Wait, right here. The compressor.
I threw a CD over the building.
What else do we got? We got the Starlink system. Jesus Christ.
Hey, let's knock it off the concrete wall here and let it fall down. Come on, help me get it up. Yeah,
with all the bricks in it.
We're gonna make a tip down onto the concrete.
Well, you kind of got.
We're gonna tip it onto the
Let me get the fucking shit in there. The door is coming off, I think.
What if we overvolt the compressor?
Oh.
Hey, get a sawzall and chop off the doors.
Are you really that cold?
Yes. And then there's just me who's vibing like, yeah.
I'm in a t-shirt.
Well, it's because you're from Massachusetts. Shut up. You're biased because you're from fucking up north. Oh, shit. It survived.
Yeah, it did.
Did you record that?
Yeah. That's going on YouTube, you fuck ass.
God. Alright. Alright, let's go. Hey, Nicholas, get over here. We're gonna tip this fucker onto the
Okay, I'm gonna try doing this one-handed.
We're gonna give it a cement boost. Cement boost back. Alright, let's go.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Hang on, I'm gonna get a running start of this. I missed.
You missed. Good job.
What's going on YouTube, guys? This is what happens when you fuck with Carolina Siren Company. You steal your fridge and destroy it. The CD has probably got gay porn on it.
The CD's got gay porn.
Oh, I cracked it.
Wait a minute.
I fucking cracked it.
Is this 240?
Yes.
We should plug the compressor into the.
Oh. You know what, Brendan? Fuck your CD.
Oh, it's fucking.
Piece go.
I think it went on the roof.
Oh, yeah, come on, part. That is fucking it. This refrigerator's about to get a good old-fashioned fucking beat down.
Oh no.
I think this is the CD itself. And fuck.
I don't think that handled it too well.
Ain't the town red.
Literally. Try not to bust my ass in the process. Oh.
What?
The hinge. I think we slightly messed up the hinge there, Daniel.
Possibly. Glass. Oh shit! I was trying to fling it at the thing and it just flew out of my hand. Okay. Shit!
You weren't supposed to break that window, Brendan.
It flew out of my hand by accident, you idiot.
What was that? Oh, so that window just broke now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck.
It's not like all the other ones. Not like all the other ones are broken anyway.
Starlink antenna. Don't hit my car, whatever you do.
It's like a bass drum.
Fucking Bill Collins over here.
Oh,
It's
still good. I fucking.
Get the fuck out of the way.
Oh shit.
What's that? Oh, hell no.
Oh, that's the thing for the.
You missed. Alright, I'm gonna stand this thing back up.
Oh my god. That's a light bulb.
Oh shit!
Be careful.
Mercury.
fuck out of the way.
Hang on.
Oh shit. That didn't even break.
Hang on, I got another one.
That one exploded.
No.